Welcome back to Gentle Herb Living, garden friends. Today's episode is for those of you who are a little short on time but still want the joy and reward of a fresh harvest, fast. Whether you're just getting started with kitchen gardening or want to add something quick and reliable to your raised bed or container garden, these 5 veggies will go from seed to plate in under 30 days. Let's jump right into it with the first one, radishes. Radishes are hands down one of the quickest crops you can grow. Some varieties like Cherry Belle or French Breakfast are ready to harvest in just 22 to 28 days. They thrive in cooler weather, need minimal space, and don't require a deep bed of soil. They're perfect for raised beds or even window boxes. Not only are they crunchy and peppery, but the greens are edible too, delicious in stir-fries and soups. Next up, lettuce. Not every lettuce takes months to grow. In fact, leaf lettuces like black-seeded Simpson or red sales can be harvested as baby greens in just 20 to 25 days. These are what we call cut-and-come-again crops. Snip the outer leaves and they keep on growing. You can plant them thickly in shallow containers or tight rows and enjoy fresh salads faster than you'd think possible. Now let's talk about spinach. Spinach is not only quick, it's packed with nutrients like iron, magnesium, and folate. Baby spinach leaves are harvestable in 25 to 30 days. It does best in cooler temperatures, making it a great early spring or fall crop. Keep it moist, don't let it bolt, and you'll be enjoying handfuls of tender greens in no time. Fourth on the list is a bit unexpected. Green onions, also known as scallions. Here's a neat trick. If you plant them from seed, they'll take 3 to 4 weeks to reach harvestable size. But if you regrow the white root ends from grocery store green onions, you can start snipping new growth in as little as 10 to 14 days. Stick them in water or plant them directly into your kitchen garden soil, and you'll always have a garnish on hand. And finally, one of my personal favorites, arugula. This spicy, peppery green is fantastic in salads and sandwiches. It's a vigorous grower and will give you baby leaves in 21 days or less. The best part? Arugula thrives in poor soil and doesn't need constant attention. Just sow the seeds, water, and stand back. So, there you have it. 5 of the fastest growing veggies that are perfect for impatient gardeners, small spaces, and anyone looking for a quick kitchen harvest. You don't need a huge plot of land or fancy tools. Just a little time, water, and soil. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to Gentle Herb Living, and tap the bell so you never miss our latest garden tips. Got your own favourite fast-growing veggie? Share it with us in the comments. I love learning from our growing community. Until next time, let's keep it green, quick, and nourishing.